Hello guys, good morning. Today my topic is ratio analysis in accounting. The ratio analysis in accounting is a tool of financial statement analysis in the hand of management in which interfaces are drawn based on the computation and analysis of different ratios. Okay, so there are three ratios. First of all, the main advantage we can see the main advantage of the ratio analysis are it is very helpful in financial data and determining the trends, controlling, helpful in controlling, and benefits to other parties interested in the business, and helpful in locating weak spots, and helpful in comparative study and overall profitability. And the disadvantage of ratio analysis is limited use of single ratio, wrong ratio based on wrong data, incorrect comparison, different meaning, and difficulty in forecasting, and lack of proper standards. Then we can see the classification of ratios. The classification of ratio according to the accounting statement, there are short-term financial position and long-term financial position, profitability, and the basic of importance of accounting statement in ratio analysis is efficiency and activity. Okay, the main classification of ratio is considered into three parts: short-term, long-term, and profitability. The current ratio, the in short term, there are two things you have to study: current ratio and liquidity ratio. And the formula of a current ratio is current asset by current liabilities, and liquidity ratio is quick asset by quick liabilities. Okay, the current okay, then we can skip to long term. In long term we have debit equity ratio and property ratio. The formula of debit equity ratio is debit equity ratio is that simple thing. Debit equity ratio is external entities by internal entities. So the external entities are considered a long-term investment. Long-term means loan. These are long-term, and internal entities are is some kind of profit. I think so. Okay. Then the property ratio. The formula of property ratio is uh, property ratio shareholder by tangible asset. The shareholder asset is the internal entities. Okay. Then the tangible asset, to find a tangible asset, the formula is uh, fixed asset plus current asset minus intangible asset. Then we can skip to the last part, the profitability. In profitability, there are three points: gross profit ratio, net profit ratio, and operating ratio. Okay, the formula of gross profit ratio is gross profit by net sales into 100, and the net profit ratio is net profit by net sales by into 100. The operating ratio, the formula is similar to both. There's operating cost by net sales into 100. These are the three basic topics in the ratio analysis.